Hey guys, Dylan here, and today I'm going to be doing a book reading for you guys. The book I'm reading is Fox in Socks by Dr. Seuss. This book is amazing. It's like great. The only better book in this is Cat in the Hat. It's by Dr. Seuss again, so just if you want to buy this book, which you should, this thing's amazing, it's Dr. Seuss. He's dead, sadly. Okay, on the front of the book it says, This is the book you read aloud to find out just how smart your tongue is. Last time I checked, my tongue didn't have a brain, but I don't know. It's Dr. Seuss. What do you expect? The first time you read it, don't go fast. This fox is a tricky fox. He'll try to get your tongue in trouble. I do not trust this fox at all. No, I don't. And let's begin. Fox, socks, box, knocks. Knocks and box, fox and socks. Knocks on fox and socks and box. Socks on knocks and knocks and box. Fox and socks and box on knocks. Chicks with bricks come, chicks with blocks come. Chicks with bricks and blocks and clocks come. Look, sir, Mr. Knox, sir. Let's do tricks with bricks and blocks, sir. Let's do tricks with chicks and clocks, sir. Where did he get the chicks and the bricks and the blocks and the clocks? He went to the zoo, beat up everybody, took everything. Look at him. You can tell he did it. Look at him. Little evil smile. Look at him looking to stare at that guy. He's like, oh my gosh, help me. Look at him. Yeah, okay, let's continue. First I'll make a quick trick brick stack, then I'll make a quick trick block stack. You can make a quick trick chick stack, you can make a quick trick clock stack. And here's a new trick, Mr. Knox. Socks on chicks and chicks on fox. Fox on clocks on bricks and blocks on knocks on box. Holy, it's fast. My goodness. Now we come to ticks and talks, sir. Try to say this, Mr. Knox, sir. Clocks on fox tick, clocks on knocks talk. Six sick bricks tick, six sick chicks talk. That was hard. Please, sir, I don't like this trick, sir. My tongue isn't quite quick or slick, sir. I get all those ticks and talks, sir, mixed with the chicks and clocks, sir. I can't do it, Mr. Fox, sir. I can't either. I'm stuttering this entire book. I'm so sorry, Mr. Knox, sir. Yeah, you better be sorry, little villain. Beat up the zoo people. Here's an easy game to play. Here's an easy thing to say. New socks, two socks. Whose socks? Sue's socks. Sue's? Whose name is Sue's? Sue's. Never heard of it. Sorry, I probably just offended somebody whose name is Suze. Sorry, Suze, if you're watching this. Your name's awesome. It's awesome. Let's just say it with that. Who sews Sue's socks? Sue sews Sue's socks. Who sees who sew whose new socks, sir? You see Sue sew Sue's new socks, sir. That's not easy, Mr. Fox, sir. No, it's not. My goodness, it's hard. Who comes? Crow comes. Slow Joe Crow comes. Who sews crow's clothes? Sue sews crow's clothes. Slow Joe Crow sews whose clothes? Sue's clothes. Oh, they can't sew their own clothes, but they can sew each other's. That, I don't know. What's going on between Mr. Crow and Sue's, but something is. Look at that. Strange picture. It is. Okay. Sue sews socks of fox and socks now. Slow Joe Crow sews knocks and box now. Sue sews rose on Slow Joe Crow's clothes. Socks sews hose on Slow Joe Crow's nose. Hose goes, rose grows. Nose hose grows some. Crows grows some. I'm so bad. Look at it. Look at him. He has a needle. He has a needle. Right there. Look at him. He has a needle. He's like, and then look at this guy. Look at this guy over here. Uh-oh. Yeah, I would say uh-oh too. This guy's freaking nuts. He's gonna kill everybody. Alright, and I think that's going to be it today, guys. I think that's it. That's part 1 of the book reading of Fox and Socks. Do you want to see the rest of the book, or want to see me do other stuff? Sorry, I just stuttered right there. The Fox and Socks is wearing on my tongue. If you want to see me read the rest of it, or if you want me to do something else, comment in the comment section. Where else could you comment? And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you later.